Okay, so vamos a calentar. Let's make something amazing, my friends. Vamos a empezar. Let's start this. We're gonna make something about the spring. Because we are in the spring. Vamos a pintar algo acerca de la primavera, porque ya estamos en primavera, ¿cierto? Y entonces se me ocurre pintar algo así. I just got the idea, and I said, hey, let's make something like that, fire. And I said, okay, let's make it. Y yo entonces dije, okay, vamos a hacerlo. Y entonces yo quiero decirles a todos los que están suscritos, to all of you, my friends, that you are right there, right now, in this moment, with the fire. Que todos están aquí presentes con el fire. To all of you, I just want to make a big fire to all of you. Quiero mandarles un grande saludo a todos. Todos, the whole world, my friends, okay? So let's make it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire! You got it? ¿Lo tienen? Because Mr. Fire is ready. Entonces, so let's make it. This is gonna be fun. Vamos a empezar, esto va a ser divertido. Bra. Okay. First, remember, beginners. Recuerden, principiantes, que tienen que agitar muy bien sus pinturas. Remember, beginners, you have to say very well you can. Just spray cans, my friends, okay? Okay, so I got it. Okay, what gonna be here? ¿Qué vamos a hacer? Okay, I have no idea, but let's shake the can. Okay. No tengo idea, pero creo que tengo una manera de cómo hacerlo. Okay, so for now, I just want to make some pink here. I want to make a nice spring. I love this pink, and I love the flowers, my favorite. I wish to live on the gardens with a lot of flowers. Sure. And remember, do not smell it. Okay, so here we go. Look at maroon, magenta, and pink. Perfect. So now, what else, my friends? Some white. A little bit, look at this. Pink. Then, of course, let's put some white inside. Sure. Hey, wait. This was gonna be blue with the sky. Esto va a ser un cielo azul. Okay, so we have right here. So you can. Agiten muy bien sus latas. Okay, recuerden muy bien. There, important. Okay, so I got it here. Perfect. So here, I will put a little bit blue. Check this out. This is like the sky. All right. Está tapado la pintura. Okay. Need to fix this spray can. Shake it. Okay. Some problem with this. Don't worry. Let's change. Tenemos, yeah, better. And now more pink, please. Fire, más rosa, fire. Okay. Don't worry. Take this out. And then of course, let's make some texture. Vamos a crear la textura. This is my favorite part. The best of my favorite part. Yeah, look at that. Amazing. And then, okay, so now what else? ¿Qué más? Fire. Oh, let's keep making more. Yeah, vamos a ponerle más arroz, más flores por acá. Okay, this is a garden. Este es un jardín with a lot of flowers. And then pink, mucho rosa. And then mucho magenta. And then magenta. Ooh, and then some violet. So let's shake the can. Vamos a quitarlo. Look at this violet. Yeah, man, this is just fantastic. Amazing. Okay, what else? Oh, I see. Maybe some yellow. Yeah. Look at this yellow. Oh man, this is just amazing. What else? Blue. This is just blue. Look at, and then just turn out blue. And then it's gonna be green. Y luego se va a volver verde. I love this. Sure. Oh wait, let's put some blue. Sky is blue. El cielo es azul. And then let's see what else. Oh, let's put some black. We have to make this. Oh, this is not black. That's metallic black. I need black. Yeah, this is black. Look at this black. Wow. Sure. Let's create the texture, my friend. Wow. Check this out. Wow. I mean, check this out. Look it. It's amazing. I love the texture. Look it. Wow, man, that's just fantastic. Esto es increíblemente. Look at that. Wow. Oh, wait. I need to do something on here. Tengo que hacer lo mismo de este lado, mira. Magenta, of course. And then violets. And then of course some yellow. Let's put some yellow. Amarillo. Wow. Perfect. And then of course green. I mean blue. With yellow just turn out green. And then what else? Black. Remember, black, metallic, dark black. Sure. Okay, so now, remember, newspaper, my friend. Okay, look at this. This is an American textile. Oh my God. Wait, oh, we're gonna use this palette knife. Look it. Okay, I show you. This is the amazing palette knife. Let's put it right there for a moment. What else? Oh, right here. We need some more flowers on the ground. On the land. Okay, so more. Violet, where's my violet? Right here. Oh, I just put it. Lo hice en automático. Oh, there's some green. This beautiful neon yellow. Wow, I love this. Me encanta este color. Oh, wait. Need some more pink. Need some more flowers. Más flores por acá, por favor, fire. Yeah. Oh, let's put some blue. Yeah, that's amazing. Oh, wait, fire. Let's put some more blue. Oh, sure. Look at that. Now just turned out amazing. Ahora sí, quedó impresionante. Oh, podemos hacer agua. We can make some water right here. I just discovered it. Wow, this is just fantastic, man. Check this out. But first, let's make it the flowers. First. The flower is gonna be right here. Yeah. Excellent. And the water is gonna be right here. Actually, it looks like a water. It looks just perfect. But I wanna make it better. Quiero hacerlo mejor. And look at, here's my water. I love this blue. But there's the sun. So. Wow. Check this out. Man, this is amazing. And then of course, fire. Wow. Fire. Wow. That was wow. Don't panic, my friends. This is under control. Que no cunde el panication. This is under controlation. Woohoo! This was the best part. Okay, so now let's put some white. Okay, so let's make it the sun. The sun is right there. Wow, fantastic fire. It looks just great. Okay, so now the most important thing, the palette knife. Okay? Palette knife. Got it? Sure. Okay, so my friend, now it's time to discover where is the flowers. Where is the trees? My trees is right here. Mis árboles están aquí. Look at. Wow, look at my flowers and trees. Look at, man. This is just great. Man. Perfecto. Look at this. Look at this. Sometimes you cannot believe it to see what you can make. A veces no lo puedes creer hasta verlo hacer, hasta verlo hecho. Sometimes you don't believe till when you did, right? It's amazing. I love this, man. Smell good, these flowers. Estas flores smell delicious. Huelen delicioso. Okay, wait. I want to make some more. More trees right here. That's it. I think right here. Oh man. Look it. Perfecto fire. Yes, sir. Oh wait, need some more clear coat. More clear coat, más transparente, porque acá hay otro árbol enorme. Look at this flower. Look at this tree. Perfect. Look at this tree. Wow. Great! Let's see what else. Let's see. I want to make one more tree right here. Quiero hacer otro. Wow. Yes, sir! I think looks just fantastic. Wait. I want to make some more right here. Quiero hacerlo más por acá. ¿Qué opinan ustedes? Yo creo que sería genial otro grande. Let's make it some more. Clear coat to make wet again, para remojarlo de nuevo. Y entonces podemos hacer otro árbol más, mira. Y rasparlo, por supuesto. Wow. I love the colors. I love the textures. Me encantan los colores, la textura. Just fantastic. Wait, need some more. Necesitamos otro árbol más. Por acá. Yes, sir. Look at this. A veces pienso, wow, es increíble. Estamos muy locos los seres humanos. We're just crazy, the humans are crazy. It's just amazing to live in there. Sería genial vivir ahí nada más. Sin tanto cosa. ¿Saben qué he descubierto ahora? Que se puede vivir con muy poco. We can live with just little cash. Okay. Perfect. Oh, wait. There's another tree. Wait. I want to make some more trees right here. Quiero hacer más árboles. Aquí quiero hacer más árboles. Man, this is just amazing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoop. So now let's leave it dry a little bit. Oh wait, it looks amazing like that. Quiero que lo dejo así nada más ahí, se ve muy bien. I want to make a nice sunrise. Hey, I can make a nice waterfall right here. That will be cool. Also, I can make a nice path. What can be? Anything can be. What do you think? ¿Qué piensan ustedes? ¿Una cascada o un caminito? Creo que voy a hacer una cascada. I want to make it a waterfall. Nice waterfall. So white. Just white. Piece of paper. Pedazo de papel. And then look at this. Just like that. Hey, wait. Splash. Man, this is just amazing. Oh, wait. Let's put the nice. Yeah, look at that. I think looks great. Wait. Need something more, my friend. Necesitamos algo más. Need some rocks. Look at this. Yeah. Wait, need some more rocks right here. Necesitamos un poco más de rocas por acá. Awesome. Great. I think now looks perfect. What else? ¿Qué más? Creo que necesitamos un poco de azul. Oh, look at this nice, beautiful blue. Wow. Yeah. And of course, a little bit blue. Right here. Wow. Wow. Okay, I got it. What else? Let's make it a sunrise. Let's make it a sunshine. El brillo de la luz, del sol. Okay, ¿qué dicen ustedes? What do you think? Okay? I think will be cool. Yo creo que va a estar genial. Wow, check this out. This is the way you can make it easy. Perfect. Look at that. Man! Así. Perfect. Perfect. One more right there. One more right there. And there. And that's it. My friends, this one is just finished. Hope you enjoy it. Wait, I need to do something more. I'm gonna use this baby palette knife. And I wanna make some birds. Quiero hacer unos pajaritos por allá. Okay, so just palette knife. And then there's a spatula. Birds. I love birds. Look at these birds. I wanna make more. En las mañanas cantan muy bonito los pajaritos, ¿lo han escuchado? Sí. The birds sing beautiful in the morning, in the sunset, in the morning. So I think this will be cool right there. Perfect. Those are white birds. Now what else? I think it's just perfect. Creo que quedó increíble, así nada más. So my friends, of course, let's sign it. So then, one day, I can say, I did. Vamos a firmarlo, así un día diríamos, lo hice. That was on my dream. I did. Estaba en mis sueños y lo traspasé aquí. Okay. So now, my friends, just seal it. Vamos a sellar la pintura. Vamos a mojarlo con el transparente. And then sign it, firmarlo. Porfirio Jimenez 2020. Okay, so this is done. Let's seal it. Vamos a agitarlo. Clear coat, transparente. And then, of course, estoy muy extasiado porque estoy escuchando mi canción favorita. I'm so excited because I'm listening to my favorite music, my favorite song. Okay, so my friends, this is just done. Fire! Fire! Thank you very much. Have you enjoyed? Give me some likes, make your comments, hagan sus comentarios, sus likes. Let me know if you are live. Háganme saber si están vivos, okay? Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my friends. And you know, if you like this video, subscribe. Ya saben, si les gustó, suscríbanse. Activen la campanita. Activate, or how do you say that? Activate the bell. Subscribe. Thank you very much. See you later, alligators. Okay? Hasta la vista. Oh my God, check this out.